Let's be real for a second. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, man, I need to already have a ton of money just to make money? It's such a common belief, right? But I want to challenge that right out of the gate. Because what if the biggest financial mistakes out there aren't actually made by people who are, totally broke? What if the root of the problem is something entirely different?
The truth is, the most devastating financial mistakes are usually made by people who simply never learned how money actually works. And hey, the good news here, you absolutely do not need to be a Wall Street expert, some fancy accountant, or a math genius to build real wealth. You just need to be equipped with the right habits. Once you understand the basic mechanics of money, the whole game completely changes.
So, welcome to today's Explainer. We are going to decode the absolute essential habits you need to build a stronger financial future today. We're going to walk through 10 foundational principles that can transform any beginner into a master of their own money, turning these rules into a highly actionable blueprint for your life. Okay, let's dive into this. Instead of just throwing a random list of tips at you, we've structured this explainer into a logical 4-part blueprint for building your financial house. We'll cover your financial foundation, fueling your wealth growth, mastering the wealth mindset, and finally, taking action today. First up is part 1, the financial foundation, protecting your money. Because before we can even think about growing massive wealth, we absolutely must build a strong defensive base to protect the money we already have. Let's start with tip 1, which is the absolute bedrock of financial success. Spend less than you earn. Look, starting from zero is totally fine. It honestly doesn't matter what your salary is right now. If you spend more than you make, building wealth is literally mathematically impossible. The best way to tackle this is by tracking your expenses and creating a simple monthly budget. Because remember, the goal isn't to stop enjoying life, it's simply to make sure your money has a purpose. You are taking control of where your dollars go rather than getting to the end of the month and wondering where they went. And this brilliantly illustrates tip 2, pay yourself first. See, most people pay their rent, they buy their groceries, go out to dinner, and then they try to save whatever leftover scraps remain at the end of the month. But successful people, they flip that equation entirely. As soon as you get paid, before you buy a single coffee or pay a single bill, you set aside a portion for your savings or investments. Making this habit automatic is the absolute secret to building lifelong financial consistency. Which leads us perfectly into tip 3, build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, right? A sudden car repair, an unforeseen medical bill, maybe even a job loss. These things happen to all of us. Having a dedicated emergency fund is your absolute safety net. Without it, when rough times hit, you're forced to fall back on high-interest credit card debt just to survive. By saving for emergencies now, you're basically protecting your future self from a really painful cycle of debt. Now for tip 5, I want us to just pause on a really big, powerful question. Do I really need this? This is all about avoiding high-interest debt. Credit card debt can become astonishingly expensive if your balances aren't paid on time. By simply pausing before every single purchase and asking yourself this exact question, you can drastically reduce unnecessary expensive debt. And why does that matter? Well, eliminating that debt creates the crucial breathing room you need in your budget to actually save and invest. It frees your money up to work for you instead of against you. Let's move to and see how this builds into part 2, fueling your wealth growth. This is where we transition to our offensive strategies. Now that we have our defensive foundation locked in, it's time to switch gears and build the offensive engine that will truly multiply your wealth. This brings us to tip 4, start investing early. There is this huge myth out there that you need a massive 6-figure salary just to begin investing. Let's totally dismantle that right now. You don't. The truth is, time and compounding are a beginner's absolute greatest tools. They're what make your money work while you sleep. Starting early gives your investments the runway they need to grow exponentially. Now, of course, all investments do involve some risk, so it is absolutely vital to take the time to learn and educate yourself before risking your capital. But the key takeaway here? Get that clock ticking in your favor as soon as possible. Moving on to tip 7, increase your income. While saving and investing what you have is super critical, we also need to focus on the ultimate accelerator for your financial goals, and that is proactively increasing your income. Saving money has a mathematical limit, right? You can only cut expenses so far, but your earning potential, that is practically limitless. Step 1, learn valuable skills that the market is actually willing to pay for. Step 2, start a side hustle to create a secondary income stream. And step 3, don't be afraid to step up and negotiate your salary. Proactively increasing the value you bring to the table directly translates to greater earning potential, giving you way more fuel to invest. All right, part 3, mastering the wealth mindset. This is all about the psychology of wealth.
Honestly, this is arguably the most overlooked aspect of money management. We've talked about the mechanics, but now we need to fortify your mind and your psychological habits. So, tip 6 is to keep learning about money. Financial education isn't just some one-and-done course. It is quite literally the best investment you can make in yourself. Read financial books, watch educational videos, listen to informative audio content. The math here is incredibly simple. The more you continuously understand about how money flows, how markets work, and how wealth is built, the significantly better your financial decisions will become over your lifetime.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is tip 8. Don't compare yourself to others. We live in an era where social media absolutely bombards us with images of luxury vacations, designer clothes, and brand new cars. But remember, social media only shows the highlights. It rarely shows the crushing credit card debt funding those highlights. It is such a psychological trap to spend money you don't even have just to impress people you might not even like based on fake digital realities. You've got to protect your mindset. Put your blinders on, ignore the noise, and intensely focus on your own unique goals and progress.
And keeping that focus requires real vision. Tip 9. Think long-term. Just look at this timeline. On day 1, your goal is simply to avoid the temptation of chasing quick riches or reacting emotionally to whatever short-term panic is on the news. Over the course of a year, your goal shifts to building unbreakable consistency and patience with your budget and investments. And over 10 years, well, that is when you step back and let your wealth truly build and compound. Consistency, patience, and ignoring short-term market noise will always be trying to time the market perfectly. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint.
Finally, we arrive at part 4, taking action today, the catalyst for everything we've talked about.
We've covered the defense, the offense, and the mindset. Now we have to address the single final barrier standing between you and your financial health. Tip 10. The absolute biggest mistake beginners make is waiting. You tell yourself, oh, I'm waiting until I make more money, or I'm waiting for the perfect market opportunity, or I'll just wait until next year when things calm down. So the crucial point is this: the perfect time will literally never arrive. The very best time to improve your finances is the exact moment you decide to start. Even one tiny, seemingly insignificant step today can completely alter the trajectory of your financial life over the long run.
So I want to leave you with this one provocative question. What is one small step you will take today? Financial success isn't about being flawless. It is simply about making better decisions consistently, day after day. So choose just one habit from this explainer right now. Stick with it. Keep educating yourself and let time work its magic in your favor. You now have the blueprint. It's time to cross the threshold and take control of your financial future today.